Is forced to run, and he picks up some big yards.
Alright, it's a good game.
First down, following the long play.
Check out Crabtree. Check this shit out.
Now first and 10. He'll fire it out.
Oh, the stiff arm to the face. You saw that? You can replay it at home. I can't replay it. We're going for 2. We're going to do this with Gore. Let's go. Did it. It's a good game, though. 14-22. Crush him, crush him, crush him. Ooh. He got to the 21, but that boy got hit.